Mastering change management auditing. Technology chaos reigns where processes and procedures are ignored. How do existing organizational processes and procedures ensure that changes to technology and systems are properly managed, controlled, and approved, and what specific governance structures are in place to support these efforts? Existing organizational processes and procedures ensure that changes to technology and systems are properly managed, controlled, and approved through a structured approach that involves multiple stakeholders and gates of approval. The organization has established a change management process that covers the entire life cycle of change, from initiation to implementation, and includes the following key elements. 1. Change request management, a centralized system for documenting and tracking all change requests, including those related to technology and systems. This system ensures that all changes are properly logged, prioritized, and assessed for potential impact on the organization. 2. Impact assessment, a thorough analysis of each change request to determine its potential impact on business operations, customers, and stakeholders. This assessment considers factors such as risk, complexity, and resource requirements. 3. Change classification, a categorization system that assigns a level of risk or complexity to each change request, based on its potential impact and the level of control required. This classification determines the level of approval and oversight required for each change. 4. Change approval process, a formal process for obtaining approval for each change request, which involves a series of gates and approvals from various stakeholders, including business owners, technical teams, and senior management. 5. Change governance, a defined governance structure that oversees the change management process, ensures compliance with organizational policies and procedures, and provides strategic direction and guidance. This structure includes a Change Advisory Board, CAB, that reviews and approves changes, and a change manager who coordinates the process. 6. Risk management, an integrated risk management approach that identifies, assesses, and mitigates risks associated with each change. This includes a risk assessment process that considers potential threats, opportunities, and consequences of each change. 7. Testing and quality assurance, a comprehensive testing and quality assurance process that ensures changes are thoroughly tested, validated, and verified before implementation. 8. Implementation and deployment, a controlled process for implementing and deploying changes, which includes a backup plan and contingency arrangements in case of unexpected issues. 9. Post-implementation review, a formal review of each change after implementation, to identify lessons learned, document best practices, and evaluate the effectiveness of the change. The governance structures in place to support these efforts include: 1. Change management policy, a documented policy that outlines the organization's approach to change management, including roles, responsibilities, and processes. 2. Change management procedure, a detailed procedure that outlines the steps and stages involved in the change management process, including change request management, impact assessment, classification, approval, and implementation. 3. Change governance framework, a framework that defines the roles, responsibilities, and authority of the CAB, change manager, and other stakeholders involved in the change management process. 4. Training and awareness, a program of training and awareness that ensures all staff understand the change management process, their roles and responsibilities, and the importance of adhering to the process. 5. Continuous improvement, a culture of continuous improvement, which encourages feedback, identifies opportunities for process improvement, and implements changes to the change management process as needed. These organizational processes and procedures ensure that changes to technology and systems are properly managed, controlled, and approved, and are supported by specific governance structures that provide strategic direction and oversight.